Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. In this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first, our last profile exploded 10% overnight after opening at $3.60 and hitting $3.99 the next day during Wednesday's session. We have another profile that we want you to research immediately. It is sitting at just above 15 cents and has been seeing a lot of activity lately with some recent big news announcements. Pull up KULR right away and put it on your screen for tomorrow's session. As you can see from the chart, the stock is on the verge of a major breakout. According to Finviz, 3.28 million shares have been shorted. With markets rallying on the back of today's Fed news, we could see a major short squeeze in KULR. Highlights. Right now, KULR is a star, according to the Wall Street Journal. Contracts with NASA, Lockheed Martin, and other global business giants. Overall revenue grew approximately 120% year over year to over $3 million, with service contract revenue growing over 4,800% year over year. KULR selected by one of the world's largest private space exploration companies for enhanced battery safety solutions. KULR announces a strategic contract with NanoRacks for advanced space battery development. Look at these catalysts. The company is leveraging KULR's roots in developing breakthrough cooling solutions for NASA space missions and backed by strong intellectual property portfolio. KULR provides customers with industry-leading battery-safe technologies as well as cost-effective cooling technologies that outperform traditional solutions. KULR is currently processing up to 10,000 lithium-ion cells per week, as well as preparing for tests performed by NASA, the Department of Defense, and others performing manned flight missions. KULR was awarded 3 additional contracts with Department of Defense prime contractors to implement the company's carbon fiber cathode solution for high-power magnetic and other covert pulse weaponry initiatives. KULR also secured a new battery safety contract with NASA to test its lithium-ion cells for future battery packs designed for the Artemis program, a series of U.S.-led international human spaceflight programs. KULR recently appointed former NASA Johnson Space Center senior leader Dr. William Walker as Director of Engineering. KULR expects to procure lithium-ion battery cells providing up to 500 megawatt hours of energy capacity, enough to power approximately 40,000 homes. KULR just received a follow-on phase change material heat sink order from Lockheed Martin. KULR has partnered with Lockheed Martin, Leidos, and other prime contractors to develop and supply mission-critical technologies for hypersonic vehicles, high-power magnetic wave, and other defense systems. KULR's portfolio of thermal management solutions target air and liquid cooling of high-performance computing applications such as crypto mining, cloud computing, AR and AR/VR simulations to maximize performance, energy efficiency, and safety. To read our full report on KULR, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Well, guys, Wall Street ended at a new record high on Wednesday after the Fed stuck to its outlook of 3 rate cuts in 2024, and Fed Chair Jay Powell reiterated that it would be appropriate to begin easing rates at some point this year. Powell's comments came at a press conference following the Fed's latest monetary policy decision. The central bank held steady on interest rate cuts as widely expected, while its updated dot plot allayed fears of fewer rate cuts this year. The Fed's monetary policy committee kept the Fed funds rate at a 23-year high of 5.25% to 5.5%, as widely anticipated. The Fed's updated summary of economic projections showed that the central bank still expects 3 rate cuts in 2024, unchanged from the December dot plot. Powell at the post-decision press conference repeated his comments from the last presser about how policymakers believed they were likely at the peak of this rate tightening cycle and that interest rate cuts were likely appropriate this year. Powell also said that the risks of the Fed achieving its inflation and employment goals had moved into better balance. In the run-up to today's Fed decision, inflation data had come in higher than anticipated, supporting the central bank's cautious tone and denting market expectations for imminent interest rate cuts. As I said in last night's video, the key was 3 rate cuts. That's what everyone was looking for. If they had come in and said 2, the market was going to tank. 3 was the sweet spot. That's what investors were looking for, and that's why everything rallied. Bitcoin rallied off the 60,000 level, where it's 67,000. Crude oil jumped. We're trading above $80, likely heading to $90 at some point this summer. Bonds rallied. The 10-year interest 10-year rates came down a little bit. VIX got absolutely annihilated, came down to 13, and SPY, QQQ rallied on the news. So that's what we got today, and that's why the markets took off like they did. Tomorrow, notable companies due to report include Nike, FedEx, Accenture, Lululemon, and Darden Restaurants. So all that health of the economy, the health of the consumer. Nike are shopper spending. Darden are people dining out. FedEx is key component. The Fed watches their earnings report, overall health of the global economy. Reddit will be trading tomorrow as RDDT. It priced its initial public offering of 22 million shares at $34 a share, raising proceeds of $748 million. We also get some economic data tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Philly Fed Business Outlook and initial continuing claims. 9:45 a.m. PMI Manufacturing, PMI Services, and PMI Composite. 10 a.m. February existing home sales. In terms of stocks making news, CORZ, $1.1 million worth of insider buys over the last 2 days, priced from $3.06 to $3.32. JANX, Cantor initiates with an overweight and a $100 price target. That is a potential 150% return. Saw this huge gap. I'll be watching this one for consolidating here and then running back towards the highs. TPST, H.C. Wainwright reiterates its buy with a $47 price target. The stock closed today at $3.76, so that's a potential 10-bagger, 1,000% return. If H.C. Wainwright is correct on its call, put TPST on your radar screen. I will also be scanning tomorrow pre-market, as I do each and every day for subscribers. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. But Thursday's main focus is KULR. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar screen with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. To get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on KULR. Insider Financial and I are not not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.